How often should I be uploading to my Facebook business page? Now, that's a question I get asked many times every week, and my normal quick response to that nearly to everyone is more than what you're currently doing. But stick around because I'm going to dive a little bit deeper into that and give you a more exact answer. And I'm also going to show you how often I've been uploading to my Facebook page, and that's coming up right now.
So here we are on my Facebook page. Don't forget to like and follow me if you aren't already. So how often should we be posting on our Facebook business page? Well, going back a few years ago, you may have heard numbers like you need to be posting, once a day, 3 times a day, or even 5 times a day. Now, there will always be exception to that, and this Facebook page for one of the television news channels here in Australia is one as such, where they're literally posting, every hour. But being a television news program, I suppose, or station, news is breaking all the time, and they want to get all of that information out. And it just happens to be a post here that they did on Facebook as well. But as I said, for the vast majority of those numbers of posting once, 3, or even 5 times a day are now well and truly outdated because times have changed and we need to change as well. You see, over the last 5 years or so, the world of social media has gotten way busier than it's ever been. Instagram has never been more popular. YouTube and video content again is just drawing more and more eyeballs, and this is my YouTube page that I've grown significantly over the last few years. And probably the biggest one that's had the most growth over the last 5 years is TikTok. TikTok video content is absolutely exploding. And all of that means our eyeballs are being drawn in more directions like never before. And while it's still very, very important that we have a Facebook page to help promote our business and brand, posting quality now beats quantity more so than ever before. So that means planning and having a strategy when posting becomes important as well. And this is a great image post from CoSchedule. When we're posting, we're either going to be looking for brand awareness or to generate leads or for customer service or even to drive traffic to our website, drive traffic to our Facebook page to actually make sales from. So that means maybe 3 good posts a week beat 6 average posts a week. And something that we all should be asking ourselves, and this is when knowing your audience and knowing your customers comes into play. You need to be asking, how often do your customers or your audience, when they're following your Facebook page, how often do they want to be seeing posts from you? Now, as I said, a news channel might be able to get away with posting every 15 minutes or every hour. Or if you're a local cafe business like this particular page for one of the local cafes in the suburb that I live here in Sydney, you might be looking at posting, every day or even sometimes 1 to 3 times a day. Which then brings us to the question, what style of content do we need to be posting as well? So understanding and having ideas for content is really, really important, because when I speak to business owners and brands and I say, why aren't you posting that often? And people say to me, Mark, they run out of ideas. They don't know what to post. And there are literally tens and hundreds and possibly even thousands of ideas for when posting here, not only on Facebook, but across all of social media. Posting can be a simple image post. Posting can be a video post, a native video. That's when you upload the video directly to Facebook. It can be one of these quick and easy ones to do, video content, story, a reel, or even going Facebook Live. You can have a simple buy now post. That's right, where you post and say, hey, click the link to buy now. Or you can say, hey, pick up the phone or click here to buy now. You can post a quote, someone's quotes, share your thoughts, ask a questions. Yes, you can even upload YouTube videos and even TikTok videos. That's right. There are literally tens, hundreds, and even thousands of ideas, of content ideas when posting here on Facebook. And all too often I hear, I don't have time, Mark, to be posting? Well, that's where we need to be scheduling and planning out in advance. Maybe a Sunday afternoon, you can work out and sit down and plan out your whole week's worth of posting. Now, for some of you, it might only be a few posts a week. For some of you, it might be posting every day. But sitting down and planning and scheduling it in advance makes it so much easier. So posting ideas and content ideas. Maybe on Monday you post what's planned for you and your business this week. On Tuesday you might have a simple, helpful how-to tip. On Wednesday you might be sharing some industry news. Maybe on Thursday you have a behind-the-scenes post of what's happening within your business. Friday maybe it's a buy now post with a CTA. A CTA is a call to action. Saturday, maybe you might do a live Q&A session or a live stream of what's happening within your business or brand. Maybe Sunday, you're relaxing and having a day off. But you can see when people plan out in advance, it's not overly hard to come up with a whole week's worth of content. And once you have come up with a good idea to be posting, you can then save that content and repost it again, maybe a few months later. Again, going onto this cafe Facebook page, Nulla Nulla Cafe, this is a very simple one. Kids half price every Sunday from 4 p.m. They could run this promotion maybe every month or as a post on Facebook, or every 3 months. Just change the image a little bit, that type of thing. You create the content once, save it to a file somewhere, and then that way you start building up a database of images. Again, this particular image, eye-catching, stop the scroll. You could just change the content or the caption here in the middle. And I practice what I preach as well, but I do get behind. I do very much get behind on my Facebook page. Here is a native video that I uploaded just the other day. This is promoting, one of the videos that appeared on my YouTube channel. I also follow some other blog articles, and if I see some great content ideas on social media, I share them. And this particular one is all about a social media planning, about planning your content. We spoke about that a minute or so ago. Here is a very interesting blog article from this particular business. I also shared something here from Facebook. This one's all about new controls to your Instagram feed as well. So I do create lots of video content. So, I'm able to put 1 or 2 pieces of video content up every week, and that works quite well for my business. But you just need to decide for yourself what is going to work best for your Facebook business page. And we spoke about how to schedule all of your posts. I've actually done a specific YouTube video and a Facebook video on actually how to do that. I will put the link in the description below. So in summary, how often should we be posting? Well, it's all about understanding your market and your audience, and understanding how often they wanting to be seeing from you. But maybe aim for 3 times a week, maybe a Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, or even daily as well. And as I said, if we're planning in advance, if you're sort of scheduling maybe Sunday afternoon, it is not that hard for you then to start working out a whole week's worth of posts. But what I want to do is I want to hear from you. Go to the comment section below. Let me know how often you're posting on your Facebook page. Is it once a day, or maybe 2 or 3 times a week, or maybe even a specific number? Let me know in the comments below. If you're having issues about posting, let me know what those issues are as well. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful. As I said at the start, if you aren't yet following my Facebook page, give me a thumbs up and give me a like. Or maybe you're even watching this on my YouTube channel. You know what to do there. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123, signing off. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon in another one of my videos.